ever wondered how to streamline your Kubernetes management effortlessly? Then, well, today I have got the 5 game-changing tips for maximizing your AWS EKS efficiently. So first is optimize your pod scheduling. So that will balance your resource utilization to boost performance. So by adjusting resource requests and limits, you ensure efficient node utilization. Tip number two, automate cluster scaling. So AWS EKS handle the heavy lifting for you. So you can set policies that dynamically adapt to workload changes. It's a game changer for you. Tip number three, monitor and optimize costs. Always keep an eye on resource usage and utilization. So identify idle resources in your environment and cut unnecessary expenses effortlessly. Tip number four, implement security best practices that will help you to protect your Kubernetes cluster. So we are having role-based access control and network policies. These are your best friends in securing your infrastructure. Now let's talk about tip number five, that is regular updates and backup. Keep your system always up to date. Backups are your safety net in case of any disaster. So don't overlook their significance. So guys, these are the 5 tips to supercharge your AWS EKS management. Now dive in and optimize like a pro. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights. Until next time, happy optimizing and happy learning.